How to unsend a message on Instagram. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsend messages within the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android phone. So if you send a message either in a group chat or just a DM and you want to delete that message and unsend it, in this video, I'll show you how to easily do that. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone, then just select the messages icon in the top right. And now we just need to find a message. I'll just have one that I sent to Gauging Gadgets. I can send a quick message real quick. Once I send the message, to unsend it, all I need to do is long press the message. And then as you can see at the bottom, you'll have a new menu that says unsend. So if I select unsend, it'll let me know that this will remove the message from everyone, but people may have seen it or they may have forwarded it. So you just have to keep that in mind. If people have already seen it, you can't really do anything about that. So confirm you want to unsend the message. And then there you go. That message was removed and there is no trace of it in the chat. All right, so that's how you unsend a message in Instagram chat. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.